Forming a habit, the path to routine excellence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we strive to make English learning easy and effective for you. Today, we're going to discuss a very common phrase: form a habit. Understanding this phrase not only helps you improve your English but also offers valuable insight into how habits shape our lives. Let's get started. When we say, form a habit, we're talking about the process of creating a new routine or behavior that becomes a regular part of our lives. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it every day until it grows into a strong tree. A habit is formed through repetition and consistency. Whether it's brushing your teeth every morning or practicing English for 10 minutes a day, it's all about making that activity a staple in your daily routine. Forming habits is crucial because they can lead to positive changes in our lives. Good habits, once established, require less effort to maintain and can improve our productivity, health, and happiness. On the other hand, breaking bad habits is equally important as they can hold us back from reaching our full potential. To form a habit, you need to start small and be consistent. Choose a simple task you want to turn into a habit, and do it at the same time each day. It's important to set realistic goals and be patient. Habits can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months to form. Also, try to understand the cues and rewards that drive your habits, as this awareness can help you stick to good habits and ditch the bad ones. Here are some quick tips to help you form a habit. Set clear intentions. Know why you want to develop this habit and remind yourself regularly. Stay consistent. Perform your new habit at the same time and place. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to monitor your success. Be patient with yourself. If you miss a day, it's okay. Just get back on track the next day. You might face some challenges like lack of motivation or time. It's natural to encounter obstacles, but the key is to anticipate them and plan how you'll deal with them. For instance, if you're too tired to practice English at night, try rescheduling your practice time to the morning when you're more alert. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to form a habit, and how you can apply this concept to better your life and language skills. Remember, every big achievement starts with the decision to try, and every habit starts with a single, small action. Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English tips. Happy learning!